What's up YouTube? My name is Rohit and I come back with another video. So in today's video we will see array in C++. Alright, so first I will open my dev C++ in which we will see the definition of array. So what is array? Array is nothing but the collection of similar data items which are stored in a contiguous memory location. Alright, so we will see a basic program using array, that is input and output from array. So first we will include our header file, that is hash include iostream. Alright, after that we will add a line called using namespace std. Alright, that is standard. After that we will declare a return type, that is int main round brackets and two braces. Alright, after that what we will do, we will declare a data type int in which we will make an array of a with the size 5. Okay, and what we will do, we will take one more variable like I for looping. Okay, we will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that what we will do, we will use a keyword called for we will add round brackets in which what we will do, first we will do the initialization of I. So I equals to 0. Okay, semicolon, I is less than equals to 4, that is the condition, and the third one is increment of I, that is I plus plus. Okay, after that we will add two braces, that is the body of a for loop in which we will print a message on a screen using cout in quotation, enter the elements of array. Alright, we will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that, using cin, what we will do, we will take the inputs from the user and we will pass to the variable a of I. Okay, a of I. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. Okay, now what we will do, we will print another one message outside the for loop, that is cout elements of array is. Okay, we will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that we will use another for loop for printing. So what we will do, I is initialization of I is equals to 0, semicolon, our condition I is less than equals to 4, and increment of I, that is I plus plus. Okay, we will add two braces, that is the body of a second for loop in which what we will do, we will print with the help of a cout the value of a of I. Okay, a of I. We will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that what we have to do, we have to return some value. So we will return here return 0. Okay, and we will end this line with the help of a semicolon. Okay, so now our program is ready to run. Let's save the file with the help of function of 11. I will give the name to the file called array and hit enter. Okay, so you can see the message on the screen, enter the element of array. So I will enter 22, 50, 54, 66, 56 and 77. So you can see the elements of array. Okay, so हमने यहाँ पे \n का यूज़ नहीं किया, that's why जो भी हमारा नंबर है वो सब एक ही लाइन में आ रहा है. ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे \n या फिर एंडल का handle. Okay, let's run the program one more time. So I will enter the element of array like 22, 23, 44, 55, 66. So you can see the element of array is 22, 23, 44, 55 and 66. So अगर हमें 22 नीचे लाना है, मीन्स एक सिंगल लाइन में लाना है, सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम एंडल को सामने में यूज़ करेंगे. जस्ट डू Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. Okay, let's run the program one more time with the help of function of 11. Okay, so I will enter 11, 22, 23, 44, 55. So you can see the element of array is 11, 22, 33 up to 55. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Till then, peace out.